Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in FreeAgent. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an invoice permanently removes it from your account and your reports. So make sure you're working with the correct document. If you're unsure, pause for a moment to double check the invoice number, client, and amount. Start by opening your FreeAgent account and heading to the overview page. This is your main dashboard where you can see a snapshot of your business. Along the top of the screen, look for the main navigation. Find the Work menu in that top bar. Click Work to open up the options related to projects, estimates, and billing. From there, choose Invoicing. This takes you to your list of invoices. On the Invoices screen, locate the invoice you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar, or filter by status or date to narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking details like the reference, the customer, the total, and the current status. It's good practice to make sure the invoice isn't needed for your accounts or tax records. If an invoice has already been included in a filed period or has payments allocated, FreeAgent may prevent deletion, and you might need appropriate permissions to proceed. Once you've found the correct invoice, look to the right-hand side of that row for the Actions menu. Click the drop-down to reveal the available options for that invoice. Choose Delete. FreeAgent will display a confirmation message to make sure you really want to do this, since it can't be undone. Read the prompt carefully, then click Yes, Delete Now to confirm. FreeAgent will remove the invoice from your list and update your figures accordingly. You should see a confirmation message and the invoice will no longer appear in your results. If it still shows up, try refreshing the page or clearing any filters you've applied to the list. That's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in FreeAgent. As a final tip, consider saving a PDF or taking a quick screenshot before deletion if you'll need a reference later. And remember that only users with the right level of access can delete invoices. If you don't see the delete option, check your permissions or speak with the person who manages your account settings. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow the same path. Overview, Work, Invoicing, select the Actions drop-down, Delete, and Confirm whenever you need to permanently remove an invoice.